Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. It is March 4th, 2020. Super Tuesday just came and went. Joe Biden was the big winner for Super Tuesday here. Bernie Sanders came in second here, winning California. And as you guys can see, markets are up about 600 points right now. Let me take a look at Diamond over here. Dow's up about 600 points, 578. And Visa's up almost 3% this morning. Square's up about 1.2%. And we're going to see what we could do here today, guys. We picked up the SPY 303 straight call for the March 4th Expo yesterday in the live trade room in the afternoon trading session for our professional trader members. And that should do really well today. And we're going to be looking for some other swing trades, possible even day trades. I just wanted to let you guys know right now. Yeah, guys, hit that like button. Just want to let you guys know. Good morning, Jojo. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Fresh and Healthy Meals, Gabe Santiago. Guys, I just want to let you know tomorrow is my mother's 60th birthday. You guys know what happened with my brother. I'm going to be flying up to Pennsylvania tomorrow to be with my mother for her 60th birthday. She's taking things really tough since losing my brother. So I'm going to go up there for her 60th birthday. I'll be back Sunday, so won't miss much time. I'll be working from the house in Pennsylvania on Thursday and Friday. Oh, Tom said good morning. He's finally over that virus he's been fighting. Ah, Tom, you're in California there, so hope it's not the coronavirus. Hope you're feeling better, buddy. Good morning, Efron. Good morning, Skyjack. Happy birthday to the Queen. Thank you, buddy. I wish you could come up with me. We could get some work done. If you want, I'll get you a flight. Happy birthday, Mama Dave. Thank you, guys. Thank you. She's really sad and depressed. She gave me a call the other day. She's like, Dave, are you coming home for my birthday? She's like, you know, you're all that I got right now. So, just, you know, hurts. So, glad to go spend time with my mother. Last time we were in Pennsylvania, I traded from my cell phone, if you remember, back in December, and we actually did really well. So, I guess we'll give that a try. Not off Robinhood, though. We traded off, what was it? E-Trade Pro and TD Ameritrade trading apps. Robert Solifan says, good morning. Oh, that's Yak, I don't know how to say it. Yak at me? I thought Yak at me was like a Japanese name or something. Good morning, RRL. Good morning, guys. So we got about 3 minutes here until opening bell. I just wanted to put this live for you guys. Let's put it on the screen now that we could chit-chat a little bit here. Got my Starbucks this morning. So give that about half hour to kick in. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, guys. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up. Share it on social media now. Tell them we're going live in 3 minutes. Tell them this is the best trading academy and trade alert service out there. We're going live in 2 minutes, and let's make some money together. I'd really like to start closing out positions today. Gilead's doing great today, up above 75. We should see Gilead have a really nice climb. Looking forward to that. Back up to, it was up almost to 76 this morning. Guys, that I know. Let me put that on here so you guys could see. So I know there, 8.49. It was up to $9 before. Remember yesterday we called this out, right? When was it around $5? I didn't get into it, but nice climb there. I might get into that today, though. That might be up to $15-20. Is it true that they had the they have a trial, a human trial that's starting in a couple of weeks?
That's what I read. They said in April.
Yeah, that's what I heard. If so, that stock should be a $20-30 stock. So we're going to watch that closely. I know it's a penny stock there, dollar stock, but see what happens there. Alrighty, so let's get it pulled up on Diamond ETF. We'll be looking at the markets here. Dow. I like the looks of this, but still didn't break that 10 yet on the Diamond ETF. And the coronavirus is still running rampant. The good thing is with those with the interest rates cut, I don't know if you guys saw, but weekly mortgage rates refinances went up 27%, which is incredible. So if you don't have a house, or if you're looking to refinance, now is the time. So 1 minute until opening bell here, guys. Let's see what happens, and let's make some money. We'll give it about 15 minutes. Might close out the SPY calls first. Visa, take a look at Visa here, up almost 3%, 191 again. That chart's looking phenomenal. Alrighty, guys, let's make some money today. Give the video a thumbs up, share it on social media. We're in the trade room if you have any questions. And let's make some money, guys. Here we go. 9:30, opening bell. We're on. Wow, those SPY calls are now up $1,300. Nice climb in the markets here. Order status. I'm going to change up. It just sold. All right, guys. We sold at, what did it sell at? $440. We locked in a $517.69 gain on that trade. That's the SPY calls we got as the hedge. She's still running higher there, but I'm okay with that. Now, if I want, I could get a SPY for today and get an ATM now. Let's see, 307 is going to be about, that's going to be a big climb. I don't think we're going to climb that much more. We might, though. The markets are looking great. Visa trades up significantly. Gold is up again. Our gold trade. Do you have gold? We're up another $900 on gold today. Let's take a look at that. I think I got a little bit too much sleep. I got a lot of energy today. Gold, let's take a look at the 3-month daily. Broke above the 10, looking good there. I think I might lock in that gold trade. Yeah, it's 2021 Expo. Nah, I'll hold it for one more day. That's probably going to retrace, though. I'm letting you know. Probably going to retrace.
mRNA Moderna confirmed the FDA has completed its review investigational NDA for mRNA 1273. On February 24th.
Guys, I'm going to get rid of the Disney here. It's just not doing what I expected. I'm down 20% on it. I'm going to get rid of Disney. What did I pay for it? $7?
Potential vaccine to respond to the coronavirus outbreak. mRNA Moderna.
Let's see if I could get 520. All right, sold Disney, locked in a loss on Disney. That's okay, though. I want to consolidate these positions. Accounts are still near new highs. Gold, all right, gold. That's retracing a bit there. Do I want to get gold now, though? Or do I want to hold on to it? That's the question. Now, see the big candle here on Diamond ETF on the 930 candle? Now we got to see what we do here. These candles are much smaller. Still pretty decent sized candles, though. Let's see, Visa. Let's look at that over here. Gold, if that pulls back anymore, might sell it. Wow, Groupon. Groupon just gave me a big boost. What is going on with Groupon today?
ACOM, Alpha Charlie Michael, Bloomberg reporting that WSP Global is set to progress in talks to acquire ACOM. That's Alpha Charlie.
Wow, $1.24. Unbelievable. Let's see here. What else is getting a
Shares
pump?
of ACOM spiking.
Might get rid of that gold right now.
Again, Bloomberg
It's pulling back
says
sharply.
Global set to progress in talks to acquire ACOM. ACM.
I could just utilize that money elsewhere, you know? Guys, Gilead's on the run here, nearing 76 bucks. This is going to be a hell of a trade. Look at Gilead go there. Nice setup on Gilead. Let me just...
IMF's Georgieva says
There goes Gilead on the today 1 minute.
Response
Again.
will determine impact on the global economy.
All right, gold is pulling back there. I think I'm going to sell the gold trade. I have the January 2021 Expo. You holding your gold trade? You don't know? Pulling back down to the 10 right now. It's 5 minutes into opening bell.
Letter I, Intelsat getting a pop here. Letter I on volume, $3.64 on Intelsat.
Can you guys hear that in the background?
INO, Inovio, India November Oscar. Inovio shares moving a bit higher, hit a high of 9.39 earlier, now at 8.64, 9.39 in the pre-market.
See if we get that bounce right here on the Diamond ETF, Gilead. Alrighty, if you guys wanted, I could put that up a little bit more. That's the breaking news in the background. So I'd really like you guys to hear that.
Intelsat shares continuing to spike here, $3.75 now on letter I.
Letter I. Let's take a look. Not a fan of it or the chart, but looking good there. 350 base support. That could be your exit if you wanted to jump in. See what else is getting a good move here.
Inovio back over $9 in the November Oscar.
That one's back over 9. Wow, look at that go. I need to jump in that. Man, she's running.
Oncology popping to the high 312, up 6.5%.
I'll make a quick trade on it.
The Oscar pop up. CTRM passed their maritime off the highs now, $2.10 the high after resuming now at $1.80 following a circuit breaker hold. Letter S, SQ Square March 87.5 call street, 3,500
Square.
contracts. Currently
Wow, Square's down 3% today. What is going on with that?
Square, Sandy, Quebec.
That's insane. Market's pulling back here quite significantly as well.
Shares of Square headed lower now, 76.67.
I got in that INO, at 904 a share. I picked this up for 904 a share. It's just going to be a day trade. Up a couple bucks on it. Yeah, see, everything's pulling back here from the 10 now.
Is found to present unreasonable and sustainable risk of illness or injury. Says banning those devices.
There goes INO again.
RCON. Recon Technology shares resuming trade now after a circuit breaker halt. Company earlier announcing providing service to medical staff.
Wow, that INO is pretty volatile, nice and choppy.
That's RCON.
That INO there, look at the volatility there. She wants to climb.
JD.com getting a pop here.
Wow, Square is just tumbling. Down almost 4%. I know it's being bought up off the 10-day right here on the minute chart. I hate chasing all these biotech stocks here. It's addicting though, you know? Volatile, easy money if you could call it, right? Let's see, I'll get rid of that. See if I can get rid of it for 840. I don't feel like being in that anymore. Took a $600 loss on INO. Down $1,000 now realized for the day altogether. We locked in the Disney. Small loss on Disney there. Square's getting a pop above the 10. Let's see. Mohammed says, Dave, could you look at Facebook? Let's take a look at Facebook here. And that's trading between the SMAs. Nothing worthy yet there, Mohammed. Don't like the looks of the daily chart either.
FD USDA says by the end of next week, IDT believes they can increase production to allow for up to 4 million tests to be shipped and available per week. Says test manufacturer IDT expects to have shipped
Fresh and
1 million
Healthy
tests
Meal
in
says
October.
Square's ready for its slingshot. I don't know. Still trading in that consolidation area that we talked about yesterday, so waiting for a make or break above or below that.
APOP, Alpha Papa, Oscar Papa. Getting it top here to the high.
Steve, general markets are pulling back a bit here from the highs. I know it's climbing off that 20 right now.
Coming up, the market services PMI for February.
I know, still climbing off that 20. Guys, if you have anything you want to take a look at, let me know.
Final services
John
PMI
Clant says,
at
Dave, can you take a look at
49.4.
KBH? Let's do it.
The
KBH.
composite PMI at 49.6.
Well, that's not looking bad there. KB Homes. That should continue to get the climb too with the interest rates down. That had a big climb yesterday. Let's see what the option chain looks like on it, John.
Says oil-producing countries have already been hit by a crisis, with some 10 billion in revenues lost due to falling oil prices.
That's not a bad setup at all. March 20th Expo.
Coming up at 10, ISM non-manufacturing PMI for February.
What's the other homing ETF that's escaping my mind? The
Also, the Bank of Canada interest rate decision.
builders. You're big into real estate. What one is it? You told me you're the real estate expert. What was those ETFs you were talking about?
TWTR Twitter says will hold any attempt by advertisers to opportunistically use the COVID-19 outbreak to target inappropriate ads. That's TWTR Twitter.
Home builders.
XHB.
Which one?
The XHB.
XHB. I need something with a little bit more volume. Share of home. They just said share of home builders at the highs of the day.
Pulte Group at the highs of the day. LEN, Lennar, all hitting new highs.
Lennar, LEN. Let's do Lennar. That's the one I was thinking about there. Lennar looks great. Take a look there. March 20th. We could even get the March 6th Expo.
Here, Lima Kilo.
I need to get the March 13th, I think. Yeah, see, there's no volume, though. There's no volume.
That's LK.
You know what I could do is an in-the-money spread. Buy to open, sell to open, call. Let's see what this is going like. Let's do the March 6th. Let's see what the 65.66 is going for. 79, 66, 67, 62 cents to be worth the dollar. One divide that by 0.62. That's a 61% gain. That's not bad, right? And to pick up 30 contracts of this. Let's see if it gets filled, though.
Letter I hitting high of 378, up about 8.5% now for letter I in Telsat.
No, I don't think that's going to fill. Oh, it did fill. Wow, we got filled on it, guys. We got filled. So here's the trade. This is going to be a trade for this week's expo. I just placed this trade here. So we got in. $1.62 minus 1.01. We got in for 61 cents.
Target to $12 from $8 on digital turbine.
You guys could probably get a better price on that if you get filled for about 55. I might add to it. See what happens there. I like that trade setup though.
T2 Biosystems, tweeting
really great trade here. John, thanks for bringing that up. I was thinking about it this morning as I was going through my development because it's a Lennar community. I'm like, should start doing well. And I forgot about it when I got home. Here's Ino here climbing above the 1020. Bounced off the 20 SMA. I sold it a candle too early. Alrighty. There goes Lennar again, guys. Look at Lennar go. This is going to be a hell of a setup on Lennar. That's a nice setup, guys. If you're not in Lennar, that's a good setup.
P2 Biosystem trading 80 cents now on that tweet from the company saying that their panels enable rapid ID of sepsis causing secondary infections in 3 to 5 hours. That's TTOO. Tango Tango Oscar Oscar. BYND, Beyond Meat, getting an upgrade this morning. March 13, $100 call activity now on BYND, Beyond Meat.
Want the Lennar pick.
Governor Cuomo says that the husband of a 39-year-old New York City healthcare worker with a confirmed case of COVID-19.
More people in New York testing negative, he said, right? That's good. It's good to hear.
Governor Cuomo now giving an update on the coronavirus.
There goes Lennar again. Nice climb there. Man, if I just picked up the Lennar 66 strike, I'd be up 13% now. Let's see, Mylan, new 52-week low. Lennar still holding that 10, looking great. I like this 3-month daily. I think we could easily get back up to 68 to 70. I think we could do that this week. I know, back above 9. Sold that for a $600 loss this morning.
Son, wife, and daughter, and neighbor.
Oh, look at it go now, 920. Wow, 930.
All tested positive. The number of cases in New York is now 6. That's New York State.
New York State now has 6 confirmed cases of coronavirus. And look at INO skyrocketing there to 940. Oh. Wish I held on to those shares. I had 1,000 shares at 904. Lennar is still on the climb there. Guys, I think I'm going to do a class. I wanted to see what topic you guys think is the most important topic we should go over. Please let me know. There goes Lennar, guys, 66.83 and climbing. We're 17 cents away from our max net gains on that spread of 62%. That'll be this Friday. That's a good paycheck trade, in my opinion. Let's see. David Devlin says VIR. $11%. Oh, that's not a bad looking one. Look at that. VIR. All the way up to 75. Retraced back down to 35. Now on the climb again. 45.50. What do you think of that for a swing trade? That's something I'd have to look into, though. Not familiar with that company. Lennar's having a nice climb here.
DSS, document security.
David Devlin, did you get in that trade you're talking about in the trade room right now? Well, you're going to have problem getting filled on the Lennar trade now with Zilla because that had a big pop since we jumped into it. You're going to have to increase the price a little bit there. Mike Francis said, I bought calls and had to buy high in the bid and ask spread on Lennar.
CMRX. Chimerix getting a spike here, $1.83. CMRX. Coming up, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, the Bank of Canada rate decision. Bank of Canada lowers its rate to 1.25%, lowering it 50 basis points. ISM non-manufacturing PMI 57.3 in February versus 54.9 forecast. Again, Bank of Canada lowers its interest rate by 50 basis points to 1.25%. TTOO, T2 Biosystems continuing to pop here. Company out with that tweet earlier related to their test for secondary infection to the coronavirus. DAL, Delta Airlines, to reduce its weekly flying schedule to Japan through April 30th. PLAY, Dave & Buster's, hearing Financial Times deal reporter says KKR is said to be considering Dave & Buster's takeover. That's Papa Lima Alpha Yankee, PLAY. Shares of Dave & Buster's getting a pop here on volume. Again, hearing deal reporter, Financial Times deal reporter says KKR considering a takeover of Dave & Buster's, PLAY.
Wow, she just popped all the way above 67, Lennar. That Lennar 66. Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like right now.
CNC, Charlie November Charlie, Centene subsidiary, awarded correctional contracts for medical and behavioral health services. That's Charlie November Charlie. SIVB, Sandy India Victor Bravo, SVB Financial says taking steps including
So up about $300 on that Lennar trade already.
Coronavirus outbreak. That's SIVB, Sandy India Victor Bravo.
Wow, so Delta just called this one client here and said they canceled their trip to Japan. That's Gabe. Jill's getting that crossover there, finally starting to climb. That Jill chart looks so good. I think it just needs a little bit more time. There she goes, though. She's on the climb. Just watching the guys, if you have anything,
Shares of shippers active. TOPS, top ships. GLPS. Globus Maritime.
there goes Gilead. Let's see if she could break 74 again. Lennar retraced a little bit. Dow is up 405 now. So definitely a pullback in the markets from the highs. But here's what we're looking at. Let's take a look at Diamond here. This is what I'm closely watching on the 3-month daily. Notice, again, so breakout momentum, we're breaking out, coming down to the 10, 20, or 50, climbing higher. You're in the yellow, blue, red in breakout momentum. BDM, you are red, blue, yellow SMAs. And then what we're doing, we're dropping down, coming up to the SMA, and then dropping lower. So this if we get a candle above 268, we could continue to climb possibly up to 275, another 500-600 point climb. But if we fail to break a
campaign.
Bloomberg suspends campaign.
Michael Bloomberg suspending his campaign.
Wow.
According to Axios. Again, Axios reporting that Bloomberg has suspended his presidential campaign.
Unbelievable. Bloomberg has dropped out of the race. Unbelievable. All right, so again, like we said, we're getting up to that 10 and failing. So if we drop below let's say 260, then I think we can see 250 again, another 1,000-point drop. So that's why we're being very cautious. We're not going crazy here, buying a lot of positions. We're staying low key, and we're getting a little bit more conservative plays here, and that's really important, guys. Ooh, Gilead just broke 74. Nice climb above the 50 on the today 1 minute. There goes Gilead. Gilead's going to be a nice swing trade for 30, 60,
shippers,
even 6
TOPS,
months out.
Topping TOPS, top ships.
They're already asking, is that $1 billion tax write-off for Bloomberg?
GLBS.
Absolutely is. That's what happens when you got money. That's why you got to go make that money, guys.
Circuit breaker against shippers active this morning. Globus Maritime popping to $1.09 on heavy volume, up 114%. GLBS and halted now.
Let me see what you guys are saying in the on the live stream here. Let's see. Alrighty, I'm looking at the YouTube chat right now. Let's see. Efron says topic should be risk management. What do you guys think about that? Doing our first class on the new. See, this is the thing for me. I wanted to start from the beginning, like how do you set up your account, what's calls put, and go up each week, you know? But if there's a more important topic like risk management, I could absolutely start with that topic and make a video and class on that. I already have some really great videos out there on spreads I'll share with you guys in the trade room.
ESEA, Euro Cs, $4.21 the high. About 50% now.
Yeah, let's share that video for the spreads in the trade room for you guys.
Shipping, 45 cents, up 14%.
Marla, what are you holding?
Sino, 48 cents now, continuing to spike here. SINO.
Nice job, Sean, on the 50% gain. Locked it in. Well done. GE, General Electric, option alert, 10 strike call, 1,249 contracts at 89 cents. Update, Bloomberg has pledged to pay his massive staff to continue to work through November to support whoever becomes the Democratic nominee. That's a nice gesture of Bloomberg. Wow. That's huge. That's huge. It's chilly in here.
Bloomberg backing Joe Biden.
Bloomberg is backing Joe Biden. There goes Gilead, 74.13 and climbing. In breakout momentum, 1020 cross, first candle with body above 50 on a 1 minute to day chart. Lennar pulling back a little bit there, which is okay. Up $120 on the Lennar trade already still. See that gold. I told you I should have locked in the profits. I was up 900. Now I'm only up 20 bucks on it today.
Bloomberg says on Biden, says I will work to make him the next president of the United States.
Well, I guess Bloomberg really wants Biden in the office.
INMD, mavvalue.org, with a short report. Marcus Aurelius Value, with a short report on INMD. shares of InMode pulling back here a bit, 29.46. NBEV, New Age Beverage, popping here, November Bravo Echo Victor. GLBS halted again on a circuit breaker, Golf Lima Bravo Sandy. On the way down at 97 cents, that's GLBS halted again on a circuit breaker.
There goes Gilead, 1050 cross, continuing to climb, 74.25 getting up to. Let's see her continue to run. I'd love to see it above 76 by the end of today. Then we still have a chance at that 80 this week, possibly. That trade will make $5,000 if we get up to $80 a share. So, you know, that's a pretty nice trade there if she makes it. It'll be about a 600% gain. Look at that breakout on Gilead Go. Look at that. You see it? Nice job there. Really love to see that hit 76.
GNCA, Genesea Biosciences, European patent, vaccines and compositions against Streptococcus pneumonia.
There it goes, Lennar popping. Look at Lennar go there. Come on, Gilead. Took a while to get there. What is it now? 10:20, about 50 minutes into the day. Starting to get that climb there. Lennar's looking great. That's going to be a great paycheck trade. So if you had that order entry in for Lennar, that vertical spread, if you just put in that order entry for that 55, 60 cents, you definitely would have got filled on that retracement back down to that 50 SMA there. Now she's starting to climb. First candle above the 10, 20, 50 SMA confirmed. Here comes the MACD cross below here coming up. So just keep an eye on it.
Coming up at 10:30 in 10 minutes, crude inventories a build of 2.644 million, distillates a draw of 1.928 million, and gasoline inventories a draw of 2.095 million expected. House Appropriations Chairwoman Lowy says she expects coronavirus bill on House floor tonight or the latest tomorrow morning. Sees coronavirus bill totaling a little over $8 billion.
Elizabeth Warren's going to be dropping out. Here it comes, right here. Business Bloomberg Insider. Just in, Elizabeth Warren is meeting with her aides now to reassess the state of her presidential bid, according to the sources closest to the campaign.
Elizabeth Warren is talking to her team to assess the path forward.
They're just announcing it now. That's funny.
Reuters.
Bob Logan, are you trading Micron, Bob?
President Trump tweeting, if Elizabeth Warren wasn't in the race, Bernie Sanders would have easily won Massachusetts, Minnesota, and Texas, not to mention other states. She may very well go down as the all-time great spoiler. A tweet now from Donald Trump.
You gonna make a comment on that? Did you see the Facebook post? Go on there. No. This one. Read the comments there. And say something. Oh, that one guy, you know? He doesn't understand, you know, like this news service, you know, Bloomberg is $25,000 a year. He's like, oh, that news didn't come out yet. You're fake news. I said, bro, I got freaking $25,000 a year news service.
Yeah, I had nothing to say to him now. I was gonna wait till after hours. I agree. Some people are dumb. You know, they're just haters for no reason.
Come on, Lennar, let's continue that climb above 66.75. Gilead still holding that 10, looking good, although the candles are pretty small. That's a funny meme.
OPEC and JMMC discussing options of 1.5 million barrels per day output cut, that according to delegates reported by Bloomberg. seeing some volatility, and crude now off the highs at 48.17. VUZI, Vuzix award-winning Smart Swim Smart Glass is now shipping. Victor Uniform Zulu, India. GLBS, Columbus shares halted again. On the way back up again, $1.10, GLBS. SNAP, Snap Weekly 13.5 call sweep.
Snap.
That's SNAP, Snap.
Wow, Snap's getting a nice pop there. Let's see the daily. Wow, that had a big retracement on Snap, huh?
AIM, Immunotech spiking to new highs, 254.
Now look at that Lennar trade now. Here's that Lennar trade right now. We had the 66-67 spread. So we got in 162 there. It's above that. Last traded 204, so it's probably going right at the S there. And then the short leg, the 67. There goes Gilead again, climbing off that 20. 74.50. I want to see it break that 74.50. What's that other one we're in, Lennar? Wow, Lennar had a big pullback there. Quick dollar pullback. That's okay. That's still going to be fine. Let's see. Oracle. That gold trade's now down 200 for the day. I told you I should have locked that in at 900. I could have bought it back when it was lower. That's okay, though. That's a 2021 Expo. No worries there. Gilead's looking great there. I like that setup. I want something else to come on the screen down below here. You know, it's just the market conditions. You got to be patient and disciplined in this market. Have to be.
EXMD, Therapeutics MD, $1.84. Getting a pop to the high. Crude stocks, a build of 785,000.
There goes Gilead.
Gasoline stocks, a draw of 4.3 million.
See what ExxonMobil's going to do there,
Stocks,
BP.
a draw of 4 million.
Let's see what that does on that news.
crude getting up hot again. Crude inventories, a build of 785,000 versus 2.644 million expected. Distillates, a draw of 4.08 million versus a draw of 1.928 million expected. And gasoline inventories, a draw of 4.340 million versus a draw of 2.095 million expected.
There goes Gilead again.
LPS,
Nice climb.
again after a circuit breaker halt.
So ExxonMobil didn't do much on that news.
Spike to the high here, following that earlier.
Guys, now I'm not worried about Lennar retracing, even back to 65. You know, we just needed above 66.60 to start making a profit by Friday. There goes Gilead again, getting up to that 74.50. Let's see a break. Slow day today, really slow. After the first, let's see, NVIDIA put sweeps coming in. NVIDIA looked really great. I was looking at that this morning. Take a look at NVIDIA here. Wow, that had a nice climb. 267 all the way up to almost 276. Put sweeps coming in. Now, see, me personally, that guy is buying puts on NVIDIA. That chart there, I mean, that looks nice to me. I mean, you don't have any confirmation yet. The MACD is still in BDM, you know. But it does look pretty good there. It bounced off that 50.
Some volume now.
There goes Gilead. Let's see that break 74.50. Now see if NVIDIA could break above that 10 today and that candle, the body of that candle close above the 10, I will absolutely buy the March 20th and I will jump in and I'll probably put about $5,000 in that. NVIDIA is a great company and it had that big upgrade to what, 320? So I wouldn't mind adding NVIDIA when the time is right. So if NVIDIA gets to 276, that's when we want to buy. Facebook, what'd they say? Really want to get into NVIDIA. Look at how Gilead is just struggling with that 74.50 area for the past few candles.
Agreement to integrate imaging and clinical data into a single platform. That's Michael.
Let's see HD. That was one that's been on the rise the past few days there. That might not be a bad setup to get into on Home Depot. I want to see Gilead break 74.50. If it does, I could possibly buy back the rest of that short leg. There it goes, Gilead. Look at that breakout on Gilead. 74.67. Still climbing. 74.75. Nice breakout there. Now see how it came down to that 20? And you saw the whole time here, it's just patience, waiting. So let's see it continue that run. I'd like to see it at 76. If it could break 76 by the end of today, I think we have a good shot still at possibly hitting $80 by the end of the week.
CRMD or medics at highs 572. Charlie Romeo Michael Delta.
Let's see now. Let's get back to the chat here. Let's see.
LK Luckin Coffee hitting a new high 40.35 Lima Kilo.
Look at Gilead go still. Luckin Coffee. What is it, LK? Ooh, that's a nice bounce off that 20 there for Luckin, huh? On the daily? I'm not a fan of that brand, though. Hold off on that. Let's see, Home Depot pulling back. Let's see, what else could we take a look at? Let me see the chat here. There goes Gilead again, 74.80.
CPB, Campbell's Soup, Charlie Papa Bravo, 51.87 now, up 8% following their report. At CPB, Campbell's Soup. Secretary Azar says 12 to 18 months before possible vaccine.
12 and 18 months before a vaccine. That's what Secretary, who was it? Health and Human Services. Secretary Azar said. Let's see what the YouTube chat is saying here. Alrighty, guys, I'm on the YouTube chat here now, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Ragu says check out NVIDIA. I was just checking out NVIDIA there. I like it. I'm going to wait for it to break above, let's say, 276. We get a candle above 276, I'm going to be entering there for the monthly expo, at least 30 days out. Let's see. Robert Sullivan said, you just mentioned HD. After watching your video on the 3 phases, what are you seeing on the MAs? Robert Sullivan, so NVIDIA here, or you're talking about HD. HD had an upgrade, and with that pullback, there's refinancing. The lenders are, Home Depot is going to get a pop. People are refinancing their homes. Why? They want to get some cash out, put some money back into their homes. Home Depot was upgraded. A lot of people are remodeling homes. It's a good setup on HD. There is no MACD cross. There's no 1020 cross yet. You're correct about that, Robert. But like I said, it had a big sell-off there, and we could easily see this back up to 240. So, that's something I could look and take a quick swing trade on and look for a quick 30 to 60% return. Zamboni says, Dave, when would you enter into Facebook? Let's take a look at Facebook quick. Facebook, I would not enter until we get a candle above 195. There goes Gilead again, 74.91, nearing $75 now, up 0.71%, 52 cents for the day. And there she goes again. All right, let's see here. Raja Aurora says, I hope Gilead keeps going. I'm not sure if that's a man or a woman, Rajat. Never heard that name before. Dave, one day when I start to make money and can quit my job, I will come visit you. Sounds good to me, Aurora. Let's see, Dave, TWOU long. Let's see, TWOU. Nice few candles there on TWOU. 2U inked. What do they do? Gilead 74.94, 74.95, 74.96, 74.97. I want to see that break 75. That doesn't look bad there. Who asked about that one? Iceman. Look at that chart on TWOU. I mean, that had a big retracement.
Popping here, $1.18 on volume of 20%.
I have my researcher look into that stock. See what they do, will you? I just told my analyst in back of me to check out TWOU, so I'll let you know in a minute here. Let's see, Disney option alert, May 15th, 100 put sweep coming in. Disney put sweeps coming in. It's about a $100,000 trade. Google got a nice little pop today. Johnson & Johnson.
Cloud-based software for nonprofits, universities.
Oh, yeah. So Bob just said, I bet the dislike you got is from the guy you beat up on Facebook. So there's this guy, when I announced that Bloomberg was ending his campaign, he goes, you're fake news. He goes, there's no news or sources saying that he ended his campaign. And, I was just freaking out on him a bit. I'm like, I don't want to say anything on here. This video will get taken down or demonetized. But, I just said, buddy, when you pay $25,000 a year for a news service, you let me know. You'll see this on the news in about a half hour. And sure enough, a half hour later, it came on the news.
On Fox News says administration working with private sectors so they develop coronavirus.
I mean, why do they think I do as well as I do? I have access to information that most people can't even afford. So you guys keep watching these videos and stick around with us. So what did that company do, you said?
Cloud-based software.
Cloud-based software? What are the analysts saying about it?
Great question.
Buy, recommendation, sell, what's the price target? There goes Gilead again, 74.96 and climbing. That TWOU, I'm looking into that a little bit further here. 74.97 on Gilead. 74.98 on Gilead. 74.99, 75, 75.03, 75.07. Big breakout on Gilead. There she goes again. Let's see here. What else do we got? Let's see. Rajat Aurora says, Dave, check out CLDR. There goes Gilead still on the climb, nearing 75.10. All right, CLDR. That's Cloudera, isn't it? Yeah, I don't like the looks of that. Not my cup of tea there. $8 stock. It's not a... No, absolutely not. There goes Gilead climbing. Nice breakout on Gilead. Sorry, guys, just had someone come to the door. Gilead just broke 75.10. If it could break that 75.50 today, that's going to be a nice run for Gilead. But anyway, Cloudera, absolutely not. So you're asking why markets, well, why the airlines aren't selling off further. Well, that's because, number one, we are in BDM. It got up to the 10, failed. You know, I mean, it's not going to drop every single day. But that's still in BDM there. They had a big hit, though, from 62.50, almost 63, all the way down to 45 on Delta. Let's see, United Airlines, UAL. Now look at UAL. That's continuing to make new lows each day there. And if you zoom out, let's see where the next... We could be looking at 45 on United Airlines. And look at that triple top here on our United Airlines here. Triple top from 11/30/2018, 7/24/2019, 11/12/2019, and that's just in pure BDM there. I mean, look at those candles. I mean, up here when the 10 crossed below the 20, here's your first signal right here that things are heading lower. 10 crossing below that 20. Here's your first candle below the 10, 20, 50 SMA. Then you're getting up to that 20, failing, up to the 20, failing, up to the 50 here. failing up to the 20 and failing lower. So that's our trade plan to a T. And if you got this back here, take a look. So that's November 27th, right around there. November 22nd. You know, so if you got something 4 or 5 months out, that's the beauty of time. You give yourself enough time. This trade here, I mean, it was at $95 then. So when you're able to call a stock at $93 and say, hey, she looks like she's heading lower based on our trade plan, and it goes from 93 down to 57, I think that's a hell of a call there, you know? So, like I said, watch the trade plan, watch those candles, give yourself enough time. If you're getting weekly expos every week, you're doing something majorly wrong. Majorly wrong.
FEYE, FireEye, March $14 call sweep.
Let's see here. I know still dropping. Skyjack is saying, let's see, I know. Wow, 770 now. Nice exit on that. Got all the way up to 945. AbbVie. Robert Sullivan says, I bought AbbVie calls over a week ago, and it's still looking good to me when I apply your 3 phases system. What do you think of AbbVie? AbbVie? Well, I don't know what you're seeing in the system, or let's see, what did you say? Over a week ago, still looking good to me. I apply your 3-phase system. Not sure when you got that. We got that a few weeks ago and had a nice climb on it, sold it for a profit. But this looks good as well. You know, if you're getting a candle above 91.50, I might even re-enter there and look for a target of 95. If you're in this now, I'm not sure what expiration you have, Robert, but if you have like the March 20th or further out, that's going to look good. I'd have a target of 95. If you have this week's target, I wouldn't be too happy with that trade, and I'd be looking to exit. But still, a nice climb. If you got it last week, you should be in the green on that. Each one of these candles represent one trading day here, so if you said you got it a week ago, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Share is dropping here.
Oh, you got May expiration. You're great on that. What trade do you have, Robert? And guys, if you comment in the trade room, we could share pictures and go over much more there. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to us on YouTube and click the bell to get notified. And you guys will get notified anytime we're live or upload new content. And coffee finally kicked in about a half hour ago. Let's see here. What else can we do? I'm looking at the watch list up above here on my other screens. Still trying to find some good setups here, guys. If you guys have any questions or anything you want to go over, just go in the trade room, breakingchartalerts.com, go to the live trade room, and feel free to ask questions. I can post pictures of charts in there. You know, we could go over any of your trades, any questions that you have. So if you guys are on the YouTube chat, the best thing to do is go to breakingchartalerts.com, enter the live trade room, which is only the trader package. But if you're not signed up yet, sign up for the professional trader package. Promo code LOYAL is ending this week for 30% off lifetime membership for any yearly packages. And if you guys go in the live trading video and classes tab on breakingchartalerts.com, this is where you'll have access to our afternoon trading session. So it's just 2 tabs over from the live trade room at breakingchartalerts.com. That's where you're going to access the afternoon trading session today at 2 o'clock when we go live again for the afternoon trading session. Yesterday's when we picked up those SPY calls that we sold this morning for a nice profit. So looking forward to another good trade this afternoon in the PM trading session. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, trade room is the best place to be, and the live trading video in the afternoon there. And that's www.breakingchartalerts.com. Make sure you sign up. If you didn't sign up yet, that promo code LOYAL ends this Friday for 30% off. So the yearly professional package, that's $2,000, that's only going to be $1,400 with that promo code. And guys, hit that like button and subscribe to us on YouTube here. Gilead still holding that 20. Someone says Lennar is breaking down a little bit here. Let's take a look. 65.13. Want to see it hold and break above that 10 tomorrow. About $1.50 retracement from the highs today. Just like yesterday. You see yesterday's candle and wick here. You know, normal intraday moves, guys. You know, it's near the lows of the day right now, but I'm fine with that. RD says there's 50 watching and 55 likes. I don't know what he sees, but I'm seeing 101 watching and 57 likes. But hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button, subscribe to us, and click the bell to get notified so you guys don't miss out. Jerry says, anyone playing Costco? It's one of her consistent winners. Let's take a look at Costco here. That's a nice setup there. Target was another one, and that one got upgraded yesterday, I believe. No way. Is that Target? That can't be real, is it? Look at that candle E-Trade Pros button. There we go. It just went away by itself. Unbelievable, these platforms. Let's see, Jerry, what did you get on the Costco trade? Karen Decker says, Dave, what time will you do the afternoon live trading video? I just forgot now. I have that. I have a CEO of a payment processor company in Lotto or something like that coming at 11:15. He's going to fix some issues that I have. So once I get done with that, I'll go live again. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to keep these screens live all day on the trade room, probably starting next week, so you guys can see a live news feed and what the markets are doing, you know, intraday. I'm going to put it on mute during that time, but we'll still do our morning session, 9:30 to 11, and then 2 to 4. That's going to be the schedule. And this weekend, we're going to make the website a little bit more clear of exactly what our schedule is each day and how to utilize our services to the best of your ability. Costco's looking good though, Jerry. I'd be looking at 315 to 325 as a target for the next 30 days out. Dow's up about 501. NASDAQ is up 122. S&P's up 46.58.
Spain reported 51 new cases of coronavirus since last night.
Spain reports 51 new cases of coronavirus since last night. Unbelievable.
VRA, Vera Bradley getting a pop to the high, Victor Romeo Alpha.
Look at the breakout on target right now on the today 1 minute chart. There's that MACD cross. This might be a nice little entry here for a swing trade on target. Down 3% for the day. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. See, that's still in BDM though on the daily chart. You know, for today, if we wanted to do a day trade, that wouldn't be bad. Could probably do a nice day trade on that, but I don't want to chase anything. Now, if that was confirmed on the daily chart there, you break out momentum or looked good, positive, I'd be jumping in. But if you look at the 3-month daily, that's still in BDM. Candles below the previous candle's body there. Wouldn't trust that. But on a today chart, if you guys are looking for a day trade, might be a good setup once you get that 10-20 cross. But you got to be patient and wait for that 10-20 cross as well.
Shares of Etsy popping to the high 60.59 ETSY.
Iran just reported 600 new cases. Bob, is that true? Paula says earnings Thursday on Costco.
CANF can fight shares continuing to pop here now at $1.70 on volume, throwing out for November Foxtrot. CLVS, Clovis Oncology moving here on volume, Charlie Lima Victor Sandy. CANF can fight volume increasing now, shares continuing to pop here.
Paula, Jerry, what are you guys trading today? Anything good? Let's see, Delta Airlines put sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at DAL. Warren Buffett made a big trade on that, but I don't think that's going to be doing anything anytime soon. I mean, Delta Airline is the best of breed of from all the airlines. Let's see, it's 40 bucks. There's some really strong support right around 45 for Delta, going all the way back to 2017, almost 2016. Wow, it's after 11, guys. I just got a text. The guy is here in the lobby, so we're going to get off of here right now, and we are going to be live around 2-ish. Hopefully, there's no problems with this guy here setting up this new system, so we will be live around 2 p.m. for the professional trader members. If you guys haven't signed up yet, make sure you guys head over to breakingchartalerts.com. This is the live trade room that you guys could see right now. This is where we are during the day. Here's archive of videos from the morning session, and then the live trading videos in the afternoon session are going to be right here. Once we go live, this will be live, and then everything is archived here from the afternoon trading sessions as well. So if you guys are a professional trader member, this is where you'll access the live information, the live video in the afternoon. Here's the trade challenge. We're going to be doing a run. We have already been doing it this year, doing a test trial. Here are the trades from this entire year so far on here. So, and this just keeps going down, down, down. So here's all the trades right here. And this is nice because on your phone, if you go to the trade challenge tab, you could just quickly look at it. It's going to give you the trade plan details over here to the right. It's going to show you the trade plan notes, breakout momentum, that's bomb, coronavirus vaccine, all this type of stuff over here. And then if you look to the left, it'll tell you the trade cost. And this is what's nice, because when we start with that $2,500 trade challenge, you'll see the position sizing, which is critically important for this trade challenge. I want you guys to be able to see the size of the trade, position sizing, trade management, and then in the trade notes over here we'll have the stops, targets, and all that. And then if you guys want the trade alerts with the pictures, you could go and see more detailed stuff right on the trade alerts tab. You click on it and you'll see exactly what we're talking about, what we're doing, and you can take advantage of that. So if you haven't joined yet, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. Use promo code LOYAL for any of the yearly packages. And if you guys want the live afternoon trading videos and everything, you would do the professional trader yearly package. Instead of being $2,000, it'll only be $1,400 if you use promo code LOYAL. And this promo code ends Friday, so if you're not signed up yet, get signed up. BreakingChartAlerts.com. We're in the live trade room right now, and then we also post information and stuff on Breaking Charts. But the most important thing is the live trading video, and that's what we're doing. So if you guys want, get signed up, and we will see you in there, guys. Alrighty, take care, God bless, and let's have a great day. See you in the afternoon session, guys. Bye-bye. Skyjack, thank you. He says, sign up, people. Well worth it. He's been with us. Members love our service. We have great reviews. So come join us, guys, and I'll see you there. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.